Rushane Barnett has a history of stabbing and suspected lottery scamming. Police sources are indicating that the man, identified as a person of interest in the killing of a woman and their 4 children, is suspected to be involved in lottery scamming. It is understood that 23-year-old Rushane Barnett had to flee from Trelawney to Clarendon. This after it's alleged he was involved in a lottery scamming dispute in the parish. The dispute reportedly turned violent, forcing him to flee the parish. Kamisha Wright reportedly played the Good Samaritan, offering Barnett safe harbor at her home in Clarendon. However, that relationship became sour when Barnett and Wright, who is reportedly his cousin, started to clash. Police sources say Barnett and Wright clashed over Barnett's alleged use of her yard to sell ganja. It is reported that several domestic disputes developed. In addition, sources indicate that Wright reportedly saw Barnett sharpening a knife the day before she was killed. Barnett is reportedly no stranger to law enforcement. It is alleged he was dragged before the court on accusations of unlawful wounding relating to the stabbing of his father. However, the case was reportedly dropped after Barnett's father declined to move forward with the matter. He remains at large.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!